Hello, it's me, MrSasaki again, this time with a quick tip for relief of tennis elbow, or as we know it as string players, tendonitis. Alright, so I'm going to roll up my sleeve so you can kind of see what we're up to here. Alright, so oftentimes, for me personally, I end up with pain right around here and tenseness on the top of my arm here. Okay? Tennis elbow, tendonitis, whatever you want to call it. So you can either use your thumb or your fingers. You kind of want to press down on top right here. Yeah, you're going to feel that there's kind of like a groove along your arm. If you kind of dig deep, you're going to feel like a groove, and you'll know because that's the tender part. Yeah, it's right along here. There's that groove. You just want to press in there. Ooh, okay. And once you got that, you want to flex your palm up and down. Okay, slowly, nothing fast. While you're pressing down, you can see it reacting in my finger. Like you can feel it like moving. It's like the tissue is rubbing against each other, and you're sort of helping rub it out, that knot. Okay, that's there. Yep, and just want to continue a little bit farther down. Same thing. Very simple, very effective, and this has given me lots of relief when I'm just saying like, oh my gosh, I need to drop out of this audition, or I've just pressed myself too hard, I can't continue, there's just too much pain. Just kind of massaging slowly and doing this has really been helpful, and it's helped a lot of my peers as well. Okay. Yep, and you can switch sides if you're having trouble on your fingered side there. Piano players, I'm sure, can benefit from this as well. Okay, that's it. You can use your thumb if you want, and move your point of pressure, and you'll just feel it. You'll know where it's painful. That's where you want to press. Okay, where you feel that actually like, oh, don't go there. Well, it's worth it if you kind of can really work that and feel that, oh, this is good. Right there is a problem area for me. So, I hope this tip has helped you. Give it a try. It seems like the silliest and simplest thing ever, but it really is effective. So, let me know if you have any tips for getting over the dreaded tennis elbow.